Hello everyone, how are you all? After a long time, I have brought a video about Cash App for you. The new method Cash App account will have a fund received guarantee. Those of you who work on Cash App know that there was a fund receipt problem in Cash App. But now you will be able to receive funds without any hassle from the account created through the new method. Those of you who are troubled by the payment failure issue can try our new method Cash App account. Let us show you in detail today an account created through a new method. A receipt guarantee tag is attached to this account, which means that through this account you can easily receive funds from any place without any worry. See here, very large amounts have already been successfully received, which proves how reliable this tag is. If you want, you can use these tags to receive money from different sources sitting at home without any hassle, and if the receipt fails, then there is no need to worry. You will be given a replacement account immediately so that your work does not stop even for a moment.MyReadyBank.com is offering Cash App account at a low price. Apart from this, you can get a special discount by talking to the admin. Also, you can get Cash App BTC enabled account, hacking tag, Cash App personal and Cash App business account from us. If you need any type of account in bulk, then you can get it from us. We always have Cash App accounts available. Apart from Cash App, you can also get other banks if you want, like Chime Bank, GoToBank and PayPal fully verified account. Different proxies and VPNs are available at up to 60% discount, like ABC Proxy, 9 Proxy, PIA Proxy and 922 Proxy. You can find all the useful items online at a low price from us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.